So hello guys, I am going to show you a match between me and CH. I don't know his spelling. The in white, you can, if I go to analysis page, in white the opponent is playing and I am playing in black. So he moved his first e4, then I go to c6, then bishop, sorry, rook, not rook, then I go here I take, he check me and I reply with my knight. He take my knight, then I take his rook, bishop, then he castles. I put my knight on f6 square. He put his bishop, rook on e1 square. Sorry guys for humbling, because I am not at that pro in this thing, so I'm just going through the match that happened again, me and him. I did lost. I am just scrolling one by one so you can see what happened there. After some moves, I was some pieces down and our king get traded, but I am just showing you the matches, the moves that we played in the match, and I am also gonna showing how I lost. This was my moves. Now I don't have anything. I just running with my king, and after some moves he put his queen and the checkmate. But there is also checkmate from my side which I missed, and I'm going to showing you that checkmate that was in my side. So I'm going back. Let me go back. At this moment when his queen comes to f1 square, I have to, now I am showing you how can I checkmate him from this position of the match which I missed. So when his queen come to f1 square, I have to move my knight to f2. So he faces checks. He can't take it because my rook is defending it, so he has to move this square, move 2 on this square. Then I have to take his bishop, which gives him a discover check, so he has to move his knight either there or either h1. Then I have to check him again, so he can move his king again on g2 square. Then I have to take his knight, which turns out to be discover check. He can't take it with g2 pawn, so he has to move it again, and then it is checkmate. And it is not possible for me at that time to see this, and when I am analyzing my match, I see that I had a checkmate option. But anyway, I think this checkmate option is mind-blowing, and for me, I'm showing you my report. For me, once again, where is my elo? For me, I have 791 elo rating, and for me this is not something to see in between matches. I can't able to calculate that far, so I got lost. I agree, I lost tremendously badly, but I can't do it because I am running, or he is running low on time, so I try to flag him out, but it turns out he promoted his queen and checkmate me. So thank you guys for watching.